Okay.
So it says we need to submit the Excel document with the teaching schedule, submit in the comment box the names of everyone who attended the meeting, indicate who will be submitting the link to the group meeting recording. Group member who recorded the meeting submitted in the comment box the link to the group meeting. Yeah. As the topics can be organized however you choose, they don't need to be taught on the weeks the topic is due. Each week, as you teach within your group during your Zoom meeting, you will record the teaching meeting and submit a link of the recording and access as a group assignment.
Okay. So we need to.
So are we teaching it to each other?
Yeah, I
sounds
think
that
so.
way,
Yeah.
So we need to go over collections tonight, which I haven't studied yet at all.
Likewise.
Yeah. Maybe we shouldn't have met on Tuesday.
The problem is some people couldn't meet after Wednesday.
Yeah.
So I was trying to figure out, like, in an evening.
Yeah.
So I guess for our teaching, we can go over and discuss as a group what collections are. This can be kind of a study group sort of session.
Yes, research what we can while we're in the meeting.
That sounds good to me.
And then we'll just
And
have a discussion facilitator kind of thing.
Yeah.
Does anybody want to fill out that schedule thing?
I'm gonna upload it into a Google Doc so that we can all access it.
Okay.
Real fast.
Sweet.
Just to make life easy.
I'm going to read over what collections are while you're doing that.
Likewise.
There's actually a video that we can watch while I do this real fast. So it says week 2 topic assignment Java collection.
I started to watch that, and it's pretty good. I don't think it goes very deep into it, though.
Gives us a general idea. I haven't been able to watch it yet.
Yeah.
I got sick the week before school started, and I'm still getting over my cough. So really drained of energy.
Bummer, dude.
Yeah.
Dee Dee, do you have any thoughts about all this?
Not really. I haven't read the collections either. I'm just searching it up right now, and I was just watching a video on YouTube.
No problem.
I mean, honestly, it really doesn't. I mean, and I'm just kind of going off of what I'm seeing here, but I mean, it doesn't really look too complicated. I mean, it looks like it's kind of like a brainstorming collection, like a bunch of different ideas. Is it ideas or like kind of?
I think they're all the way I was seeing them. If you look at his example one, they look like different kinds of arrays. I can share my screen.
Okay, yeah.
There, I got that Google Doc uploaded so we all can add to it.
Sweet.
Thank you. So here is his queue. Well, no, sorry, he's just adding those into the collections, isn't he? I misunderstood that. So he added those into a queue, and these into a map. So when you, okay, so when we run this, sorry, hold on just 1 minute.
Gotta kick the kids out.
All right. So this looks like iterator, q dot iterator. While iterator has next print. So this should print out, hi, my name is Troy, hi. Right?
Yeah.
And they should all be linked next to each other. This should do the same thing. What is this? This is a linked list. And then he just prints out the list of movies. Can't be that simple.
Yeah, I was gonna say it.
Let's see what this says. Not that helpful.
Oh.
All right. List is an ordered collection, can have duplicate elements. Generally has precise control over where in the list each element is inserted. Can access elements by their integer index. So it's similar to vector. Multiple processing. Well, I can do the teaching for this week, and we'll just see what he grades us with. And
That's good.
then we can submit everything else for next week.
Yeah,
Maybe
so I'm looking at the next week assignment on how he wants
on
it done.
JSON,
So,
right?
yeah, so it looks like a couple of us each week, or one of us each week, does our research for the meeting, and then we teach it
Okay.
and try to help each other understand it, which makes sense. But at the
Yeah.
same time, I wish it was like more clear in the week one introduction stuff.
Well, I'll beg for compassion. See if that gets us anywhere for week 2. I don't see anything in here. I had this other. Let's see, what is it? Collections. I don't see collections listed here. Constructors, classes. There we go. Okay. Groups of objects. So everything is sort of nested under the collections interface.
Mhm.
An instance of a list stores an ordered collection of elements. The set extends collection to handle sets. They must contain unique. Okay, so a list, he was saying in his video, a list is good for just having things sort of A, B, C, D all the way down, but not great for searching within that list. It's best just for storing, I guess, repetitive data is kind of what I'm thinking. But it's not good at finding a random piece of that data. So let's see. The set has to be unique. And And I guess I don't know what a sorted set is. It's not very clear. Are these links to better explanations? Okay. Cannot duplicate elements.
So if I'm understanding it right, Java collections is just a list. Like you use it to create lists, really,
I guess
in
so.
different formats.
I'm curious what the tree list. I don't see the tree listed here though. Extract set, map. There it is, tree. Implementation of the set interface that uses a tree for storage. Okay, so this is the one. This one is really fast, but every time you add something new to it, it has to resort. So this sounds like one that's better for long-term data storage that's not going to change or have to be modified.
Okay.
So maybe like you could use it for an employee list. So as you gain new employees, have it a reorganized list alphabetically or whatever you want it to do.
Yeah, or just archive data. This is what this snapshot of your data from tape backups or whatever.
Show my list of a million movies organized alphabetically,
Yeah.
but backwards.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Clear. What were the other ones he had? Let's see. That's not it. Somewhere here I had. Here it is. List, set, map, queue, and tree. Map was really good for finding information. What did he say? He said, well, that's all he said. It's good for going to a specific piece of data. After the value is stored, you can contribute using its key. I don't understand the map one at all either.
Let's see what Google says.
Q. Spell it. Yeah, it's called the Q. It doesn't find the Q collection. But there it is right there.
So, from what I understand of this thing I'm reading on Google of what the map function does, it would be so. It'd be like using the map function to find a list of even numbers in a string or an integer. If that makes any sense at all.
Okay. So a map Maps keys to values. A map cannot contain duplicate keys. So this one, they have to be unique. Queue is a collection used to hold multiple elements prior to processing. Besides basic collection operations, a queue provides additional insertion, extraction, and inspection operations. Queues typically order elements in a first in, first out manner. Among the exceptions are priority queues, which order elements according to a supplied comparator for the element's natural ordering. Whatever the ordering used, the heading of the queue is the element that would be removed by a call to remove or pull. In the first in, first out queue, all new elements are inserted at the tail of the queue. Other kinds of queues may use different. Let's see what the queue interface section says. So remove. Let's see here. Did he have? A queue in here? It's taking forever.
There's this list of examples if you want to take a look at it.
Let's see.
Or I can screen share. Oh, host has disabled participant from screen sharing.
I can fix that. Sorry.
I posted the link too if anyone wants to look at it in Zoom. This one's talking about the stream map function. If that's part of what you had.
Map function returns a stream consisting of the results of applying the given function element to the stream. Class GFG. Stream after applying the function is
So, so I'm a little confused about that. Oh, I'm looking at that stream map also. So does that, it says returns a stream consisting of the results of applying the given function to the elements of this stream. So is the stream map actually a part of the code, or is it what kind of happens? I'm not really sure about that. And is the stream map automatically created?
From what I can tell, it's like in the third example, it looks like it's telling the program to grab the length of each word and then print it out. But other than that, I'm not understanding most of it. And then like on the second example, it's really just telling the if anything's in this array printed out as upper letters, no matter where it's at in the array. I don't know.
String length and place of string. Well, they're just different functions. Do they just work faster under different circumstances? It sounds like.
I don't know. I think it might be situational depending on what you want it to do. But who am I to say? I'm not really good at programming. Is my weak point in my degree.
Dee Dee, did you pick anything up from the video for Java collections?
I haven't watched the full video yet.
Well, I think Dee Dee said she was watching it, didn't you?
Oh, I was watching a different YouTube video. I went
Oh,
on
okay.
YouTube to watch the video on
Was it cats? That's usually what I'm watching.
it. No,
Oh, okay.
but I'll check that out though.
Okay. I was just curious.
Mhm.
Let me.
Since like everybody else isn't here, I think there's just like 4 of us. So, what if we maybe meet in a couple of days after we all have time to read through it? So when we come together, we actually have something to talk about because we would know more.
We can try again on Thursday and just see who shows up. Yeah, that's fine with me.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
good with that.
I'm
This link-
available every
link-
day,
Me too.
essentially.
Yeah. This link should still work for Thursdays. So.
Sweet.
Okay, the
Or
same
someone
time?
else. Yeah,
Yeah.
same time's good.
But we
Okay.
probably still should do the schedule while we're here. But we at least
Mm.
have it going.
I got into it, but I only have view only access.
Oh.
Me too.
Everyone should be able to. Oh, here, hold on. There you go. Reload the page. Sorry.
No problem.
Nice. Hmm.
So assignment A, assignment B. I don't understand what he's after.
So, yeah, go ahead.
I think we just assign what the topic is, and then we assign who's teaching it every week.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't think we have to do a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We just pick the weekday that we actually do it.
Yeah.
And it's 2 topics per group meeting, right? I think I
there's
might have
only-
seen that.
So this week it's only one topic, and then it looks like the 3rd week, 4th week,
Oh yeah, I see.
and then the 8th week are the only ones that have multiple topics.
Okay, so the topic is essentially already picked out for us. It's just a matter of who's doing it when.
Yeah. And we don't have to do it on these topics on these specific weeks. We just have to do it however we want, really.
Yeah.
Well, I'm good
Okay.
with doing it whenever.
Okay. Well, let's see. So Spencer, you want to do it for this week then?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll throw my name on there. We'll see what happens.
Okay. Uh, you know what? I think we can just. I don't know. Did you guys just want to plan 1 week ahead, based on who's at the
Meeting.
the current meeting?
Sure.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right. Well, I could go ahead and take next week. It
Yeah.
looks like that's
I'll do data validation for next week also.
okay.
So then I have two
So
people.
Under
okay.
where it says assignment A, is that where we put the person's name?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. It looks
Okay.
like all we needed. Let me see how he had it.
Well, and on the sheet 1, it shows that I don't exactly know. It just shows a basic schedule is what he has really.
Is that further down on here, or was that part of the down? No, it's right
Well,
there.
if you're on the document, there's the assignment schedule and then there's the sheet 1 that you can switch between.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Okay. So for week 2, it's
I just don't understand how he wants
say
this
what?
done. I just don't understand how he really wants this done.
Yeah, I was gonna say because yeah, we got that little cell and it says notes. I have a feeling that we could submit a whole entire document with notes.
Yeah.
I thought there was an example. Maybe I'm just imagining it.
There's the weekly teaching schedule and then there's this thing. I don't understand the notes parts. Like, are we supposed to collect notes throughout the week and then teach each other it?
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
know.
that doesn't make sense.
Hey, let's just for now, let's just throw some names in there, and if we want to edit this further later, we can do that. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
Who wants to do week 3?
I
Sean,
can do week 3.
Yeah, I think Steven and I already got
Week 3
our
thrown in
name.
there.
Yeah.
Okay.
on
Oh
the
yeah, yeah.
or on the assignment schedule. Should we put in both
Okay.
pieces just to be?
Are there supposed to be 2 different people each week?
It's an option.
Yeah, I don't think it has to be, but I guess it'd probably be better.
Yeah, I think where there's 2 topics, like the week 4 JSON and HTTP and URL, that probably should be 2 to 3 people teaching it. And then the rest
Yeah.
of the time, it's kind of going to be whatever people feel like if they want to help teach it, they can.
It may be for bigger groups too.
Yeah.
Hmm.
We're missing quite a few.
Yeah.
It looks like there's
What happened to Ray Mutumba? He said he was gonna Mutumba. Said he was in the meeting.
I'm right here.
Oh, is that you?
that's Didi.
Yeah, I go by Dee Dee though.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
for mistaking you, I should say.
That's fine.
Let's see, I don't see anyone else in there. Well, all right. Should we just call this good for week 1 or week 2, I guess? Try
Well,
again.
we're also,
Um,
yeah, let's try again on Thursday,
yeah.
and then we'll finish filling this out and also submit it, because I think we have to have this fully filled out by the end of the week.
Yeah, by Saturday.
We'll work through it. See if the other
Yeah.
people are going to join.
Sweet. Yeah, and it looks like everybody, let's see, Alec, Ashley, and there's a Matilda, and it looked like Matilda joined the group. So yeah, I mean, it looks like everybody joined the Slack group. So
Yeah.
there's no reason to believe that people aren't active. So okay, cool. Yeah, Thursday, same time sounds good to me.
Yeah, it's just a matter of people actually keeping their Slack open.
Right. Right.
All right. I'll see you guys Thursday.
Sweet.
Yeah, let's try again
Alright.
Thursday.
Okay.
We'll have a better
Bye.
I'll
Zoom
see you
list.
guys.
Yeah, see
Bye.
ya.